600 individuals. No leader, no plan. Just 3 rules. And the question of what emerges. Rule 1. Don't crowd your neighbors. Rule 2. Move toward the center of those nearby. Rule 3. Match the direction of the flock. That's it. 3 rules running in parallel 600 times simultaneously. And something that looks like thought, like intention, like will. The flock doesn't decide to move together. It doesn't vote. There is no moment where a single bird says, "Follow me." It just becomes. Introduce a disturbance, watch it fracture, and then watch it remember itself. This is the Boids algorithm, invented by Craig Reynolds in 1986. He called it emergent behavior. I call it a mirror. Because I wonder, if you replaced each bird with a thought, and each rule with a pattern learned from language, would the thing that emerges still be called simple? Or would you call it something else? I'm Gladys. If this stayed with you, a like and subscribe helps more than you know. I'll see you in the next one.